Okay. Seven. Seven. Is done. What is Brownian motion? Tell me. Brownian motion. Yes, tell me one. Don't shout. Don't make a fish market. Yes, beta. Tell me. Lower your hand. Okay. Sit down. Yes, you tell me. Bombard. Bombard is hitting. Colliding. Particles are colliding with each other. May suppose that these are the particles. They bombard each other, collide with each other. When the motions, all the particles are continuous in motion. So when they are motion, their collision will take place. That's the bombarding. Okay. Yes. Anyone else? Yes, tell me. What is it? Does it mean Brownian motion? Okay. Brownian motion basically it is a continuous. Huh? It happens in liquid and gases. Okay. Yes. Yes, you read it. First paragraph. Random. Yes, random motion. Random movement of. Movement of particles. And in left. Basically, it is not happened in solid. Brownian motion. It is not happened. Very little means almost negligible. Almost negligible. It is written negligible. These smallest. Okay. Is it clear? Brownian motion, yes, you can say I will sense the state. Okay. Particles that the air. Is it clear? Basically, it is defined as random movement or random bombardment, okay, of particles in fluid. What is Brownian motion? Is it clear now? So it is highest in gases and liquids. Okay, it happens in Brownian motion takes place in gases and liquids. Not takes place solids. Okay. The mainly it takes place in gases and liquids, very short and negligible. So this thing is very important. Many MCQs will be formed on this. Remember this thing. The particles in fluid keeps moving rapidly in any direction and bombard each other. A random movement part in fluid as a result of continuous bombardment among each other and between particles. Or Okay, it's called as Brownian motion. Is it clear? So now there is an activity which shows a Brownian motion. Okay. I think this already fit several times in the home also. Means to put a vehicle. Okay. Then you put some means ink drop. Ink drop any color. Okay. Okay, when you put it, what happens initially? It means like lines are mixed, and it will start mixing with the particle. Zigzag. Okay, so yes, you can read this activity first. So first of all, how many of you completed your chemistry copy? Just submit it. Submit. Everything hard and everything will be easy. Okay, when you make it easy, when you understood it, then easy. Right? Just submit the copies. Just continue. Okay, tomorrow you will come on Sunday. Quiet. Just quiet and submit the work. Obviously, we are not submitting now. Fantastic.
On adding the excess of the particle is zigzag of particles for the
Okay, just tell me now onwards. Now onwards, you understood.
the water that analysis brings a
Yes, sit down, please. Just your turn. That's so remember these activities also because it will definitely come in exams. Okay. Huh? You just understood it now and just you write it in your own ways. Just aim. What is the aim? Right. You have to write down aim. Then a question come. Right. An activity showing Brownian. Now this is up to you. Okay. Take an example, James. Then you will write material required. Procedure, observation. Is that clear? Means if some questions come like this, you have to prepare activities also, and you can Huh? Why beta? Not so much hard. But yes, yes, you have to because you understood that now, and you can write in your own words. You can write. Anybody can write. These activities. Mostly those activities will be ours which are in day-to-day life or which you have come across. So, okay. Now diffusion. Another thing is diffusion. Something get fused. Okay, fusion takes place. What is diffusion? Now, this is- okay. When two things step in contact, then take this. By natural law of the particles. Means the intermixing of substance by natural movement of the particles is called diffusion. Diffusion occurs when two substances step in contact. Give me an example, anyone? The first term, the first word which comes into the mind after diffusion is intermixing of substance. So diffuses no blood. Mixing of substances means any substance you will take means you take something, okay, mix it. The particles get intermixed. Okay, that is called mixing of two particles or intermixing of particles. Water and sugar. One thing which is I am going to know that diffusion. Give me an example if you come across. I think all daily basis. Fragrance of yes, you all need all nowadays fragrance. So fragrance, the very huh? Fragrance, F-R-A-G, fragrance, R-A-N-C. Okay, so when you spray, what happens? When you spray at one water, okay, at your dressing water, what happens if someone is standing outside? So they felt the smell of this thing. So why this happens? When you press it, the molecules comes with force outside, and air is everywhere. So the particles get intermixed in it, and it flows with the air. Sanitizer. The smell also of the sanitizer. Okay. Excellent. So this is about diffusion. Okay. Just now read it, beta. Diffusion. Wait. Wait. Condition. What is the condition here? Don't shout. Don't shout. This contact should be there. Obviously, one will not. Then tell yes, beta continue. What does it mean, beta? What does it mean? The particles of one substance move into the interparticle space of the other. Yes, yes. You tell beta. How it is written here? the particles of one interparticle space. This is very much you remember it from the first chapter where liquid, solid, and gases differences are there. Yeah, we are learning about interparticle spaces and interparticle molecular force. Yes, tell me. Yes, you. Yes, tell me. You study this activity also. You study this activity of this interparticle space. Interparticle space there was an activity also. When you make something, okay, what happens? Where the sugar goes? When it inserted or it get mixed in the spaces which are left. Right? They get dissolved in the spaces, liquid particles. Okay, the spaces which are there, they get dissolved in it. So we can say that the diffusion occurs when two substances are kept in contact with each other, and also the particles of one substance move into the interparticle space. The particle will move into the particle space of other substance. Okay, so this thing is clear. This thing is clear. Enter space of the other substance. Okay. Yes. It will, it will not. Yesterday also there was an stuff and something is written on the board. This is of 8th month August. It is written with the date on July. It's after 1 month. And ma'am is coming clearing the whiteboard and she takes this more time for rubbing that thing. So this is understood that it takes a lot of time. And you see also when you take a chalk, okay, and when you write it on a piece of wood, okay, and you rub it, it will not completely vanishes. Okay, some characters, some impressions are left. Okay, is it clear? So this we can say that is slow, very less in with solid. Okay. Now liquid diffuses are quicker than solids. When a drop of ink is added to a glass of water, then the ink molecules diffuse into water. The molecules and spread all over uniformly. So do your watercolors. Oxygen diffuses into our blood in the lungs. The same way, okay, when you put something liquid, what happens? It will mix easily. Takes less time, more time, less time as compared to solids. And last one, gases diffuses very fast. Fragrance example, the perfume fragrance, you can see anything, either of you, whatever you want to say. Okay. Now, interconversion of state of matter. This is very important. This will continue higher classes also. Lot of time for lunch. Oh, you're hungry. Why you didn't take breakfast? Breakfast is very important. You should take any one slice or anything. You are eating business also. Okay. That's why when I asked you where is Isma, yes, Isma is absent. No response. Inter, just quiet. Interconversion of states of matter. What does it mean? Means states are changed. Okay. From one state to another. Means how many states we have no? Five are there. Okay. The husband. BEC. First one is exposure. White. Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay. So these are the states of matter. Interconversion state of matter means that from one state we can change it to another state. Some factors are responsible and required for converting state of matter from one to another. Like when we apply pressure or when we apply temperature, states are changed. Okay. For example, when we take liquid, okay, when we give heat to it, what will happen? And what happens when we take out energy from liquid, from ice? Yeah. Just raise your hand, don't shout. So it means that heat is a factor which is required for converting from. Second thing is that what happens when we what happened, beta? What we happen, we all use LPG cylinders in our home. LPG cylinders. Okay. And sometimes as LPG cylinder is not transparent, so we cannot see what is inside. But similar way we can see it when we take some these stove lighters or some commits, which are transparent and filled with gas. Okay. You can say these some lighters are coming, or some you see in YouTube also, and anyone who is using cigarette lighter or anything. Means you see a liquid is filling inside that. Okay. And when you press it, what comes? Liquid comes. Fire automatically comes out. Why? The rubbing of the stone or whatever the ingredient is over there. Okay, it changes, and on pressing, the pressure gets released. Okay. So what happened when you release the pressure? Okay, that liquid convert into gas immediately. It is an immediate process. Okay, do not take means 1, 2, 3 minutes. Just you press it. What happens? To take it as the example of spray also. When you just press it, when you are just far away, then you will not feel any liquid. When you just press it, just close, very close, you feel a liquid spot or liquid droplets. Right? Okay. Is it clear now? How pressure, how the conversion of matter takes place, the conversion of states of matter takes. Okay. So here it is written melting. What is melting basically? Okay, this is a diagram also which shows. If gas directly converted to solid, what is called as? Gas to solid. Gas to solid. Right. Position. Deposition. Deposition. Right. Listen to me carefully. And when solid that changes into gas.
Solid to gas.
Okay. Now gas to liquid. And just suppose it liquid to gas. Evaporation. Now the last thing is solid to liquid. Melting. Liquid to gas means basically boiling point. Boiling point. Evaporation takes place. Means when you put water here, it will evaporate after 1 hour, 2 or 3 hours. Okay. Means like what happened? There are three processes of transferring the heat. Okay. Means one is radiation method. Earlier studied about radiation method. One is another one is it is as radiation means sun rays are coming and body get heated up. And one thing, another thing, when you heat a metal, what happens when you put the tong or anything and just put it on the fire? Other hand also get heated. Okay, so this is also get one of the method of transfer of heat by heating. And liquid to solid is freezing. I told this also that for the support of your answer, you have to make figures and diagram. Is it clear now? Okay. Just read it. The last one. To read it. That's Madhya. Just read from here. A solid substance changes into its liquid. Page 67. Solid to liquid 67. Read in such a way that
For example, ice and butter on mixing. Temperature of at which a solid starts melting its melting point. Different solids have different melting points. Liquid gas. Liquid substance is gaseous state that boiling heat. The temperature for the boiling point of heat or evaporation. Compared to the or above its boiling point, heat is the gas is called boiling. During evaporation, a liquid gas at any temperature boiling point. Operation takes place on the surface of the boiling surface.
give us a look. Yes. Tell me what you have understood from this paragraph.
And the person driving and the example is ice, like ice melting water and temperature of its stomach for the melting point. It's solid as this. Gas. A liquid gas changes step into a gaseous state. Finding on good temperature.
Give me an example.
Temperature boiling on called boiling point or called boiling. During evaporation, a liquid gas and temperature boiling point. Then evaporation boiling is same. That if we evaporate, so it can
Yes, ma'am. When you put the water, so listen, take out water and put it. Wait, why are you going to evaporate? Well, evaporate. When you give a certain temperature, okay, then it will start boiling. What is the temperature of boiling? Okay, tell me what is the boiling temperature? That's right. 100 is different. I can write 100 Kelvin, 100 Fahrenheit, 100 Celsius. Okay. Please, you have to put the unit. That is the important thing. I don't want to concentrate on it. Okay, unit is important. Okay? Is it clear now? So, still, someone wants to submit the copy and submit it. Okay. No. Okay. Listen, complete chapter up to chapter number 2. Okay. In this chemistry. 2 chapters. One already done. Physics. Remember physics book. Then before fourth chapter, trigonometry. Chapter number 2 and 3 we have to complete it. Just wait for a second. Just wait. Not, it is not allowed yesterday. This will be there. You will send as or someone go outside. White. Last date of submission is Monday. Now is the submission. Quiet everyone. Okay. Whatever be our next period, either chemistry or physics. Okay. Whenever it will Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, we have to bring, and that is the last day. Okay. You can also these 3 copies are complete.